Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace your Subaru Outback cabin air filter. First, ensure you have your new filter and a small flathead screwdriver ready. Park your vehicle on a flat surface and open the passenger side door. This simple maintenance task can significantly improve your vehicle's air quality. It typically takes less than 15 minutes to complete, saving you time and money compared to a dealership visit. Now, let's access the filter. Begin by emptying everything from your glove box to avoid any spills or lost items. Next, locate the two small tabs on the sides of the glove box. Gently press inward on both of these tabs simultaneously. This action will release the glove box from its upper stops, allowing it to swing down freely, revealing the filter housing behind it. With the glove box lowered, you will see a rectangular housing cover. This is where your cabin air filter resides. There are usually two small clips on either side of this cover. Unclip them to remove it. Carefully pull out the old filter, paying close attention to the direction of the airflow arrow. Install your new filter, making sure its airflow arrow points downwards, just like the old one. Almost done. Once the new filter is securely in place, reattach the filter housing cover, ensuring both clips snap firmly into position. Now, gently lift the glove box back into its original position. As you lift, press inward on the sides again to guide the stops back into their slots. Finally, close the glove box completely and you are all finished. Enjoy your fresh, clean cabin air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.